Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashim. This is today's front squat workout. I had a heavy workout today. I did 275 for 3, 305 for 2 sets of 2, 275 for 3 again, and then 295 for 1, which was a paused rep. I got a total volume of 11 reps. I'm pretty happy with this workout. I was a little worried going in because of my lower back issues, but everything seems fine. The workout went really smoothly. So that was very comforting. The 305 sets felt amazing. I felt like doing another set with just one rep for 305, but I decided to be cautious. I didn't want to push myself today unnecessarily, that is. I think the average weight for this workout was also good. I think in the coming weeks, next time I do this, I'll probably be doing that single with 305. I think getting 4 reps in the 300s, low 300s out of 11, that's good. And 295 for 1 was a pause, so that's almost in the 300s. So I'm going to count it as 4-5 reps. At least 50% of the volume that I did today was in the low 300s. That's awesome. Remember guys that I got 505 for 2 on deadlifts a few days ago. So this is 2 heavy workouts back to back, and it felt wonderful. I am looking forward to this Saturday's deadlift workout. It's going to be 455 for volume work. It's going to be very challenging. I hope it goes well. This workout, after I finished the front squats, I did hyperextensions and cable pull throughs. I did cable pull throughs first, 2 sets of 15 reps with 100 pounds, and then I did hyperextensions with my body weight for 10 reps. Some of these reps, by the way, on front squats, it looks like my back is rounding a lot, but for some reason I felt very stable. Maybe it's because I found a trick to just maintain that tightness throughout everything. This is 295 for 1 paused. I paused at the bottom. I thought I was going to cave in, something told me that, hey, you know what, fuck it, let's just go home. But to fight through these urges of being lazy, and I just pushed through all of that. This was also one of those workouts similar to my deadlift workout where I was not able to engage my core till the very end. So I'm a little worried about deadlifts on Saturday for that reason. Cable pull throughs, also called as the Pawn Star Maker, because you guys can see how it is. But this is a fantastic posterior chain exercise. I think my lower back issue has been resolved mostly because of cable pull throughs and hyperextensions, hip extensions. Yeah, I'm not really doing hyperextensions where I'm just working the lower back. I'm trying to work my hips, so it's hip extensions. If you guys can see, my knees are a little soft. Well, it's not. It's mostly they're stiff because I'm keeping them stiff. This exercise really also hits my hamstrings and my lower back. Yeah, glutes, everything. I'm squeezing my glutes at the top. Anyway, thanks a lot for watching, guys. I really appreciate your love and support. Thank you.